right, let us take a look at this question here. It says the function g is defined by g of x, which is equal to x plus 14 into t minus x, where t is a constant. So now in the xy plane, the graph of y equal to g of x passes through the point 24, 0, which means x is 24 and y is 0. What is the value of g of 0? In an effort to do this, what we want to do first is we're going to find what t is first. So if I'm going to find what t is, I'm going to take this g function and I'm going to substitute here. I'm going to substitute 0 for y and 24 for t. So the g of x, so instead of having g of x, I'm going to put the value there, 0. So 0 is equal to plus 14 t minus 24. So I just substituted the point 24, 0 in the g function. So now I only have one variable there. Okay? So if you take a look, two things multiplied to give 0. We are certain that this is not 0, this is 38. So what we have here is a case where t has to be 24, such that 24 minus 24 is a 0, and 0 times anything is 0. So now we want to agree that t is 24. So having known that t equals 24, we're now able to put 24 in the g function. For example, g of x is equal to x plus 14 into 24 minus x. Remember, t is 24. Now I'm going to evaluate g of 0. So g of 0 is simply substituting 0 where the x is. So at this moment, what we have is actually 14 times 24. So 14 times 24 gives us 336.